both the questions are related to substrings only. So let us take this third question first. So here substring is 0, 1, 1. So first write language. So minimum string is 0, 1, 1. Before this you can have any number of zeros and ones. After this also you can have any number of zeros and ones. Okay, next. And so on. So here substring is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In every string, 0, 1, 1 should be a substring. Now, minimum string length is 3. So, number of states required are minimum string length plus 1. That is 3 plus 1, 4. So, take states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Q3 is a final state. Now, take this 0, 1. 0, 1, 1 should be written like this, and after this we need to apply remaining strings on remaining symbols, input symbols on every state. So on Q0 we applied 0, now we must apply 1. So can we use 1? Yes, your string may start with 1 also. In this case you will get 1, 0, 1, 1, which is alone. Next, can we apply 0? Here on Q1 we applied 1. So can we apply 0 here? So if you apply this, then we'll get 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is also alone. Now, so 0, 0, 1, 1 means this one. So this is alone. Next, Q2. On Q2 we applied input symbol 1. Now we should apply 0. So if you apply 0 as self loop here, you will get string as 1, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, which is not alone. So you should not have something like this, 0, 1, 0, 1. It should end with 0, 1, 1 only. This is not allowed. So you can't place 0 as a loop here. So in case of this, you can take a path from Q2 to Q1 and on input symbol 0. You can write it like this. So that your string will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here substring is 0, 1, 1. Okay. Similarly, this is accepted. And what are the other possibilities? If string starting with 1, then 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is also alone. And after this, you can have any number of zeros and ones on Q3. See, if you have 0, then that is alone. If you have 1 here, that is also allowed, because required substring, we already got the required substring in both the strings. So you can place any number of zeros and ones after getting the substring. So this is third problem. Next we'll see fourth one. Fourth one is substring is AABB. So AABB means first write language. Minimum string is AABB. Substring. So this is a substring, so you can have any number of A's and B's after AABB. So you can have string like this, and then this is also allowed. Your string may start with B also. So B, A, B, B, and so on. So in all these cases, substring is A, B, B. Now Now based on this, you need to take states. So minimum string length is 4. So maximum number of states are 4 plus 1, that is 5. So take states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Now write A, B, B. That is substring. So before this substring or before this A, you can have any number of A's and B's. So as we already applied A on Q0, you can use B on Q0. Next, if you take this Q1 case, then on Q1, if you apply B, we already applied A. If you apply B, then you will get substring as AB, AB. But our string is not AB, AB, it is AA, BB. So this is not allowed. So write this as on B, change state from Q1 to Q0. So we should not disturb this sequence, AA, BB sequence. Next, on input symbol Q2, we already applied B. So you can be used A here. If you use A, you will get AA, AB. AA, BB. So that is not allowed. Okay, so you need to move this state from Q2 to Q1. So on input symbol, see on input symbol B, Q2, there is a transition from Q2 to Q3. We need to apply A. So let us apply A here. Because if you use A in this case, you will get string as AA, AB, B. AA, BB. Okay. So better not to use this sequence. So instead of keeping this as self loop, you take this path. So move state from Q2 to Q0 on input symbol A and leave this sequence as it is. Now check these strings which are generated from this DFA. So you will get B, A, B, B. That is one possibility where we got A, B, B substring. If string starts with A, then sequence is A, B, A, B, B. Again we have substring A, B, B. Next take this path also. Q0 is B, A, B. Sorry. So you can write it as, say suppose A, B, A. Next this one also A. Next B, A, B. So we got substring as AA, BB. So at the end, on Q4 you can apply any number of A's and B's. So at the end of this you can have A or B. This is end of the string. So in all the cases we are getting AA, BB as substring. So this is the final DFA for this fourth question.